Hey everybody, this is Lance from datatraders.com. This video I'm going to go over the buy side ATM strategy. I did a live Zoom call. You'll see how I entered the trade, how I profited. Only took 8 minutes to get about 20% return. So let's get right to the Zoom call. Hey Eric, how are you? Hey
Hey, good
Phil,
morning.
hey, good morning. Hey Ben, how are you?
Hey, good. I'm the only one here, Lance.
No, there's a few. We got Phil
Okay.
here, got Eric also. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show the trade as it comes in on Thinkorswim and then answer any questions. I could stick around until around 11 o'clock Eastern. Who knows if it'll actually close by then or not, but I could stick around for questions. So the thing that I do is I buy $1,000 worth of contracts. So I'm just gonna go in the calculator, handy dandy, 1,000 divided by whatever the number of the premium is. So I'm getting some weird 1,000 divided by whatever the contract is, and that's how many contracts I'm going to do, all rounds. So if it's like zero point 0.5 or more, I'll round up. If it's zero point 0.4 or less, I'll stay where it is. Let me share my screen. Yes, 1 second. All right, so the way that I do this is I just leave the channel on, and then you should see it pop up. Like there'll be a new screen of the new alert, like it'll shift it. And then once that happens, I look at the entry price. I'll do 1,000 divided by that, and then that's the number of contracts rounded. On Thinkorswim, just to get it a little bit quicker, trade tab, SPY, go to the 0 day, and then wait near the at the money. Curious what it's going to say because we've had an up day, but we are seeing some down candles starting to consolidate a little, possibly. We'll see. Just trying to see if anyone else is trying to get in. I guess it should let me know, but I don't know. It probably pops up. Anyway, let's get ready for it. 9:29 Central, 10:29 Eastern. We'll see. It should be any second. Chat real quick. So it's 6:27. Let's see if it shifts it. I have my phone out. I'm just going to do 1,000 divided by whatever the entry is instead of going. There we go. 614 call 1.53. So it's 6.5 when you divide it. I'll do 7 contracts at 614. 614. Those calls. I'm a little slow here. Yeah, 614 call. Do 7 of them. Mark it in. And at 1.4, 1.5 something, 1.49. And then I'm just going to do the same OCO. 1.84.92. Trades, you want to go to the monitor tab, create closing order. Got my P brain here, 1.84.92. So limit order at 1.84. Do OCO. Right click, create duplicate. 0.8.92. Yeah, 0.92 for the stop. Change limit to stop. And that's it. Give you guys a few minutes to enter it on your end. And I'll check the chat and check for any questions here. You guys getting in the fills?
Yeah, I'm in at 1.55.
All right. Got a little better than you there. You,
Yep, you did.
you probably
Oh
got it a
man.
little quicker, I guess.
Yeah.
I was actually talking to Thinkorswim yesterday about how to show this because when I mean the chart. So when I'm doing this, it was doing weird stuff here, like I couldn't see the candles. This is not really a big deal in the end, but what happened was I was on auto instead of manual. And when you're on auto, if I want to zoom in more because I'm going blind here, it sometimes gets a little wonky where you can't see it.
Yeah.
First world problems, it really didn't matter, but oh wait, it was on manual. But I don't know. I think he said auto is better in terms of what I was showing him. For some reason, like see this, I like this box because then it zooms in good. But if I go to like here, it does this box, and I don't like this box as much because sometimes it gets wonky. I don't know. It doesn't matter at all, but
Yeah, I just can't get used to charting on Thinkorswim. I have to use TradingView for charting.
yeah. Yeah, we don't have to look at the candles. What's good about this is you just enter OCO and then go back to your job or your kids bugging you, right?
Yeah.
I only have one right now. The other one's at a sleepover, and she just wants to be on her Roblox. So, Ericsson at 1.5. We got another person coming in. I don't know who it is. It says owner. Hello, owner. Do you have any questions how to enter or OCO the trade?
Am I the only one in here?
No, there's five of us.
Okay.
Oh, are you a bad trader?
I'm doing well.
All right.
My last day of the trading for the week. Going out of town next week.
Sounds good. Did you enter in already?
Excuse me?
Did you enter in the trade already?
Yes.
Okay. You know how to OCO out? I'm pretty sure you do, right?
What's host CLO?
Do you know how to do the one cancels other order?
Oh yeah. I know how to do all that stuff.
Yeah. So I'm just here for random questions or a good chat.
Oh, okay.
So I've already entered in at 1.49.
I got it at 1.43.
All right. Yeah, Phil was 1.5 something, I think. Um,
1.57
5.5.
or 9 or something. Yeah.
'Cause he got in right away. It took me 30 seconds, which is still fine. If you could get in within a minute, it's fine.
Yeah, I was futzing around. I was trying to figure out my thinkorswim how to draw fib extensions.
Uh,
And I, there's
Yeah,
two people.
I
Because
don't
we're
really
at
use that. There's I forgot. I know on Trading View. I think it's add a drawing.
yeah, it's at a drawing, but I don't know where to start and stop because we're at all-time highs on the SPY. So like I'm trying to find some points to look for in the future.
Which one do you use? Time series, time extension?
No, you should use fib extensions is what you're supposed to use. You got fib.
Yeah, I never really use this stuff. I think
Never,
it's a bit of nonsense.
no, that's time. It's not time.
Oh,
It's the up and down one. I kn- I know how to do fib retracements. I just don't know how to do fib extensions.
yeah, off the top of my head, I don't know. There's retracements. You use that retracement thing like this.
Yeah,
And I think
yeah,
you
but
put it on the candle and then you see like the percents of where the golden spiral is and all that.
right, but we're supposed to go above. We're supposed to look above the high now. So I'm that's what. So that's why the extension is supposed to take some point and then go above it. I don't know how to do that.
I'll see if I can figure that out later.
So
There's-
I never really use fibs because I find them to be very subjective
yeah,
because because they're all drawings and everyone draws them a little bit differently and decides
yeah.
what time frame they want to use.
It's like the golden, what is it, circle spiral thing? It's a
I have
lot.
no idea.
It's like a,
I got to watch a YouTube video on it because I really never use it.
it's like in a lot of places in life. Like if you look at a snail and the curves of a snail, it does the same golden ratio. There's like tree ring. There's a bunch of stuff in nature about it. So
Geez, there's a pop.
pop. Oh yeah, wow.
Just take it
Wow.
off down nicely.
It didn't stop it. It didn't close it though. We're good now.
We're at 170.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was up like 12% and then it popped back down.
Yeah. So we're really close.
Ah,
Yeah, it's down again. Or down from the high of the minute.
yeah, we got to break that high.
Yeah, if you break the high around 615.5 or so, maybe, that might clip.
Wow, it's coming.
615, 615.50 is the
Yeah.
high.
If it gets there, it might close it. It's really close.
Ooh,
Hurry up, come on.
15%.
Come
Come
on.
on.
It's close.
Oh my gosh.
We're only $10 away in the premium. Pump it. Yeah, that was a big volume candle that minute
Oh,
before.
there it is.
All right, there it is.
That was quick. 8 minutes.